Hello, my name is Carolyn Johnson. This fun and colorful flyer describes an upcoming field trip. This field trip is different from any other. It is a job fair. It is geared toward any junior or senior student at Briggs High School. There will be several well-known company vendors who will provide on-site interviews. This field trip would be a great opportunity for any junior or senior student interested in developing their interviewing skills and obtaining a part-time position. In addition, transportation will be provided by the school and parental chaperones are welcome. The flyer reads as follows: Job Fair. Briggs High School presents its annual summer job fair for all juniors and seniors. June 6, 2020, Holiday Inn, Chicago, Illinois, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. And the best part, lunch will be provided for all parents, students, and chaperones. Creating this flyer in 2 shades of warm blue gives the viewer the message that the information in this flyer is significant, important, and confident. The different shades of blue can incorporate elegance and richness. Most importantly, these 2 shades of blue are the school colors, and the viewers won't easily forget this flyer. Red was used in the title Job Fair because it is a focal color. Red stands out and the viewer quickly understands the purpose of this flyer. Yellow is used in the last line of this flyer because of the small but significant information. It informs the viewer that lunch will be provided. The line symmetry used in this flyer are bold and wide lines. Each photo is separated by a bold blue background straight line, and this bold line demonstrates confidence, visual clarity, and it gives the picture a clean, symmetric look. In addition, straight lines also demonstrates organization and reliability. The visual balance of this flyer is shown in the strategic positioning of the pictures and the event information. These pictures illustrate students learning, students graduating, and young people preparing to start a career. The pictures are in rectangular and square shaped frames. Each picture corresponds to one another and it tells the story of preparing for life. The detailed information in this is in bold lettering and clearly makes the statement without the viewer losing interest. This entire flyer is contrasted in 2 shades of blue, dark blue and light blue. This was done to draw the viewer's attention to the pictures, which is the focal point of the flyer. In addition, it allows the viewer to quickly glance at the flyer without losing interest. The event information in the bold lettering is in bold lettering and a lighter shade of blue. This also allows for a quick glance. This detailed information will remain with the viewer because of the dark and light blue contrast in the flyer. Now that I have presented my job fair flyer to you, I hope you have enjoyed the information and I hope it was detailed for you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.